The suspense is intense as Garmin fans eagerly await the latest edition, prestigious Forerunner series, which is set to be released in September 2024. This highly anticipated debut promises to push the boundaries of wearable technology by providing an unprecedented range of new features, varied sizing options, and customizable pricing schemes. Catering to the diverse needs of athletes and fitness enthusiasts, the upcoming Forerunner series has been meticulously crafted to deliver a seamless and personalized user experience. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, this latest iteration is poised to become the ultimate training companion for runners, swimmers, cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts alike. As the release date draws near, excitement builds among Garmin devotees and newcomers alike. Forerunner series has long been synonymous with excellence, and this latest chapter is expected to raise the bar even higher. Stay tuned for the official launch in September 2024 and discover how the newest Forerunner series can elevate your fitness journey to unprecedented heights. Size options to suit every wrist. Garmin's latest Forerunner series caters to individual preferences and wrist sizes. With its thoughtful range of sizes, the new Forerunner will be available in 3 distinct sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for various wrist circumferences. 43mm size offers a sleek and compact design, perfect for those with smaller wrists or a preference for understated style. 47mm size strikes a balance between elegance and functionality, while the 51mm size makes a bold statement with its larger, more prominent design. By providing 3 size options, Garmin ensures that athletes and fitness enthusiasts can choose a Forerunner that not only suits their wrist size, but also aligns with their style and preferences. This attention to detail guarantees comfortable and confident wear, allowing users to focus on their fitness goals without distraction. AMOLED display and enhanced features. Rumors indicate that the latest Garmin Forerunner will boast a breathtaking AMOLED display, delivering crystal-clear visuals and an intuitive user interface. This vibrant display promises to enhance the overall user experience, making it easier to navigate and track vital fitness metrics. Furthermore, the watch will feature an array of innovative features, including basic diving metrics for tracking underwater activities, a built-in microphone and speaker for seamless communication, convenient flashlight for added visibility in low-light conditions. The advanced Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor provides precise and continuous heart rate monitoring. These cutting-edge features and stunning displays combine to create a comprehensive and user-friendly wearable device, perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts seeking a premium training experience. Pricing to suit every budget. Garmin's latest Forerunner series offers unparalleled value, with pricing starting at an accessible $199.99 for the 43mm model. The 47mm variant is also priced at $199.99, providing a compelling option for those seeking a slightly larger display. The larger 51mm version is expected to retail at $1,199.99, although French retailer Warden has listed the 47mm and 51mm versions at $1,099.99 and $1,199.99, respectively. These competitive price points ensure that athletes and fitness enthusiasts can access premium features and performance without breaking the bank. As the official release approaches in September 2024, prepare to elevate your fitness journey with the latest Garmin Forerunner. With its cutting-edge features, stunning display, and affordable pricing, this wearable device is poised to revolutionize the way you train and track your progress. Stay tuned for the official launch and experience the future of fitness technology.